cookie? You can eat one. You want to eat one? You can eat one of these. So funny, huh? You want another cookie, buddy? Say, do you need more?
No. After I make my special cookie for Santa Claus, Mommy, look like little red.
All right. Okay.
Cool.
Which color do you want now? Blue? Okay. Okay. Probably gonna have to clean the table again.
Mommy, look.
Good job,
Mommy,
buddy.
look.
Whoa, that's beautiful. Here, I'll help you put it up here.
Mommy, I need to put some flowers.
Oh, okay. This one's done right here.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. Do you want to put some green on it?
Yeah.
We'll make it blue and green. Okay, there's the green. Put the blue away. Put the blue away. Put that back. Okay. Okay, there's the green.
Mommy, look at my special fancy cookie for Santa Claus.
All right. That's beautiful.
There. Mom.
Okay, that one's done.
There. My
Okay.
Crispinks. There.
I know, those look good.
They're gonna be good for Santa.
Santa is going to be super excited about those.
These ones, maybe they'll be the goodest ones of ever that Santa ever tasted out.
Yeah, you think
Okay, you
so?
want to put some red on there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put some red right there. Here you go.
They make that. I'm making another
Yeah.
special one for Santa cookies.
You're making Santa cookies?
Yeah. Blue.
You want blue?
Blue and green and red.
Mama.
Okay. Now how about if you want to put some candies on there? Careful, Tay. Okay.
Candies.
There's those candies. Here, I'll give you some of these to put on there too. Can I put some of those on there?
There.
No, put them on the cookie. Wow, that's a pretty one, Tay.
I'm making a fancy frosting one.
You want some sprinkles? Good job, buddy.
I'm putting all of
That's a good one. Okay. This one's all done. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Oh.
Mama.
Here you go.
Mama.
What color you want to make that one?
Mm.
Want pink?
Pink.
Pink. Okay.
Mommy, I'm using all the colors.
Want me to do the frosting? Here you go.
This one.
There you go, buddy. Put some candy on it. Oh, you want this one? Okay, hold on. Here, use that one. No,
Put
it
them on the
here.
cookie, buddy.
On the cookie. There you go. Shake, shake, shake.
Daddy, am I doing a fancy one for Santa?
Good job, buddy.
Those all look really good. I think Santa is going to be very, very happy with the cookies you've made. Do you think maybe even the reindeer will get a cookie? Or are they just getting carrots?
I just need carrots.
Ooh, that one's got a lot of frosting. Okay, buddy, let's do some more. Okay. I
Mama.
might have to re-clean the floor too.
Mama. Mama.
Okay, which one? You want blue?
Pink.